So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm with a video on the worksheet of different mixed topics of physics. So let's begin with the first topic. It is linear momentum, worksheet on linear momentum. Based on definition of momentum, then its magnitude, dimension, SI unit, CGS unit, graphs with mass, variation of graphs for if mass gets, if speed gets changed, their calculations and analysis. Then we have questions based on momentum, magnitude versus speed. Then calculations of masses in three different cases. Then momentum versus kinetic energy graph. Variation, comparison of three different cases in terms of mass. Then P versus root K graph. Analysis for the three different cases. Comparison of angle, comparison of masses. Then we have P versus root M graph. Then P versus M graph analysis involving the comparison of kinetic energies. Then we have dimension of kinetic energy. Then there is another worksheet on power, scalar quantity, dimension, SI unit, CGS unit, average power, instantaneous power, power as a function of force and velocity and angle, positive power, negative power, zero power, graphs of power and force, power versus velocity, power versus theta, maximum, minimum. Then we have a numerical question based on force in and velocity in vector form, so different questions based on that. Then we have a question based on a particle moving on a circular path, then centripetal force, powers, dimension of power. Then we have another worksheet on circular motion, on centripetal acceleration, graphical variation with speed, radius, 1 by r, v square. Then in vector form, centripetal acceleration, tangential acceleration, total acceleration, magnitude, angle, then a numerical problem based on that. So calculation of centripetal acceleration, calculation of centripetal acceleration in vector form, tangential acceleration in vector form. Then we have another, you can say that, another question on, let's say that there is a problem on pure rolling motion. Suppose a force F is applied externally and friction is like this. We need to find the relation between acceleration and the friction over here. So this is translational equation, and using these four equations we conclude that acceleration of the center of mass is this, and this is the friction involved over here. Now just apply this shortcut in solving this question. Suppose the force is